Hi guys, it's Becca at So Darn Twisted, and I'm just going to give you a very quick flip through of the last commission journal I've just finished. I did post a flip through of it so far when I'd kind of got all the signatures in and, you know, that kind of thing, and a couple of bits and pieces in, but nothing major. And I promised I would do a full flip through when it was done, so here we are. So this is the wedding memory journal that my friend Tilly asked me to make, and basically it's for her to put things in to do with her friend's wedding, you know, pictures, bits and pieces, little memories from the day kind of thing, and then present to them, which I think is really, really lovely. And I've thoroughly enjoyed making this one actually. The theme was kind of ivory with like a sort of jade, teal, you know, kind of green thing going on, and other sort of Victorian colours and stuff as well, because the bridesmaid dresses were a dark green. So I've made a little, what have we got on the side there? We've got a couple of lace hearts going on, and I made a dangle to go on there, and it's just got lovely bits and pieces on it as always. I made the rosettes and these little roses to go on the cover. It's got a little key charm hanging off of that there, and then you can see the rest of the design there now. And then inside I made a journal board, which Tilly, you may have to explain this. I've got a bit of dry glue stuck on that. I thought I'll put it in the video, explain what it's for. Effectively, you put it behind and it gives you a stable surface to either write on or stick things down without all the lumpy bumpy from the other things that are in there. So that's the purpose of a journal board. Now I did go through the bits that were already in there in the last flip through, but I can't remember what was already in there, so I'm just going to do a kind of, just, you know, we're not going to go nuts into every tiny detail, just do a sort of a vague flip through. So I've put excerpts of poems by the ladies' favourite poets. I've accidentally done that with 2 pages there. Little heart paper clips that I thought Telly could use to, you know, kind of another way of putting things into it, to clip them onto those little heart paper clips. I thought was really cute. But yeah, she's an English teacher, so she really loves like really old poetry, kind of, you know, 18th, 19th century, that kind of thing. Probably a bit later than that as well, I can't remember. But we've got, you know, sort of pockets. I haven't put a lot in this one because it needed to keep a lot of space for putting things in, and exactly the same way as I haven't stuffed the pockets for the most part for that same reason. A couple of things I have just sort of popped in, you know, little notebooks that little memories from the day and stuff can be written into there, so I thought that was kind of nice. And, you know, kind of plenty of spaces. We've also got a belly band on the go there. I've put in, it's daft, but I've just put in like a handwritten letter from, I think this one was from the 1800s, printed on some tea dyed paper. So I just thought it gave it a nice sort of a nice nod to the era that she loves. And again, more poetry. The only thing I've still got to add to this is I've got a couple more song quotes, like lyrics from songs that were played at the wedding, and I'll be doing the same kind of thing and just dotting a handful of those throughout as well. So that's a pocket with another one of the handwritten bits and bobs folded up, and again sort of tuck spots and journaling spaces and, you know, that kind of thing, so that things can just be popped in there. Again, little spaces to write bits and pieces, and hidden paper clip for the same reason, obviously. Another journal card for the same reason. That's a belly band in there. Pocket, more writing space. This one, I'm pretty sure I actually did this one in the previous flip through, but that's just a little pocket and poem. These are pockets as well, obviously. well, I say obviously, it's not obvious if you don't know. Little bookmark kind of thing to match the spine dangle, and a few of the decorations that I've done as well. Another kind of pocket on the go in there. That's a tuck spot behind there. That's a tuck spot. Paper clip to, again, stick pictures or something to. That's got writing space on the back for another little memory. And obviously journaling space there. The other tuck spots work exactly the same way as that one. There we go. And we're nearly at the end. Again, just little tuck spots throughout there just to slide little things into. And more writing space, another little belly band. This one has got journaling cards with poems, Victorian poetry, with obviously writing space on the back, and that side's got the same. Yep, we have here a triple pocket and another notebook to write in, and more poems. Another pocket with, again, journaling space. As I say, I didn't want to make too many things to go in the pockets, because I want them to be able to put their own things in there. And this one is just a sort of a semi-concertina little tuck spot pocket thing going on in there. So that is it, really. I'll say that's it. It's been a lot of work. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I haven't been able to go as quickly as I would like, but it still somehow came together quite quickly. But I must apologise for the lack of tutorials and such. If you're on my group, you've probably already seen. I've just been having a very bad couple of weeks health-wise, so I've not been able to sit at the desk to make any, but I promise I will be making some just as soon as I'm physically able. So watch this space. Didn't put that in there, but it can go in a minute. So there you go, guys. That's the new commission. I hope you've enjoyed looking through it. I hope you liked it. Tilly, I hope you like it. And obviously I hope the recipients of the journal like it as well. So there you go, guys. In the meantime, take care. Happy crafting.